Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset Realme 12 Plus 5G smartphone. So you can see this is the Realme 12 Plus 5G smartphone in my hand. Okay, this is helpful for those who have forgot their password. As you can see, enter password, and here you can see incorrect password. Please try again. As you can see, incorrect password, please try again. Okay, to do hard reset, first press the volume up and power key. Now slide down to power off the smartphone. Okay, now it is successfully power off. Now press and hold the volume down and power key together. Press and hold it for few seconds and now release. And you can see, now select the language, and you can see it will send you in recovery mode. Now here you have option format data, reboot device, and power off. Tap on format data. So here you can see, please enter verification code 8443. Enter it 8443, and you can see format data, all user data will be reset. Tap on format. So you can see wiping, please wait, and data formatted. Now tap on OK. And guys, after hard reset it might take some time to boot up the device, and after hard reset when it asks for password, pin or pattern, use Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to hard reset Realme 12 Plus 5G smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe, and click on bell icon for the latest updates.